So again, you just start with your origami paper, a square sheet in front of you. So again, just take the bottom, fold it up to the top, one half to the top like that, and then bring it back down. And then fold again in half from the right side to the left side. And again, gonna unfold. So it should be that. Okay, so now what we do is we flip the paper over. So it's now a diamond shape in front of us. We take the bottom tip, fold it up to the top, fold, and then unfold, and then again from right to left. All right. That. Okay, now we bring the paper up and we push in on the center so that you should see, again, should see 4 diamonds, 1, 2, 3, 4. And there should be like a crease running down the center of each one. Okay. Okay, so what we do is like along the crease on the left and right diamonds, what we do, push those creases in. It should look like this. Thank you. Okay, again, we just take just 2 flaps here. Top. Okay, so now what we do, just take these flaps, I take each one and we've got to fold it towards the center. Okay, so it should look like this. And okay, so now we just we flip the paper over, and we do the same thing on this side. We fold both of the flaps in to the center. Okay, so you should end up with a shape like this. Okay, now what we're going to do is we got to take this top part right here. I'm going to fold it down over the folds that we just made like that. Just like that. After we've made the fold, then we Then we unfold it so that it's again in this shape. Okay. Once we do that, we unfold the flaps like this. Okay. And then at the bottom you should see like a little. Should see this flap should come up like this. What we do is we just pull it up and then we put our fingers inside just to spread it out there along the fold that we just made there at the top. So it should be, and then we bring it up. So like that. Okay. And then we flip the paper over. Do the same thing on this side. We open the flaps, lift up the bottom flap, push it upwards along the center fold there. So it's up here. And then at the same time we're pushing that upwards. We fold the left and right sides inwards. So what we end up with like this. Yeah, kind of like a diamond with legs. Okay. Okay, and once we got that, we take this top flap right here, this top flap, and we fold it down over the leads. So now it looks like this. Got this little flap right here and this back flap. Okay. Okay, once we got it like this, we flip the figure over to the other side, like this. And then we rotate it so we bring the bottom, so the bottom is now up top. And again, so you see the legs are now arms, kind of, with this behind it. Okay. So now what we do is we take this arm and see there should be like a little, you should see like a little crease line run down the middle of your figure right here. What we gotta do is we gotta take this arm and we gotta fold it downwards so that's kind of running right there, so it runs, its bottom runs along that crease line right there. It should be like that. Again, it's gotta be kind of, the fold's gotta be kind of like an angle, but it should run straight there along that crease line. Okay, and we do the same thing here with this arm. We bring it downward so it too is running there along the bottom. Run there along the crease line. So now your figure should look like this. Okay. Okay, and now what we gotta do is we gotta take this arm again, and we gotta fold it upwards. So again, the bottom's gonna be folded up against the top here, like that. So see, the fold's kind of there, kind of angle, and kind of just kind of fold it up like that. Okay, and then on this side, do the same thing. Just bring it up so at the top, just kind of fold it there like that. so that your figure should look like that. Okay, and now we're going to undo the last fold that we did. So bring like this and bring it back down to here. If you look here along the top, you should see like a little groove. Just slip your finger into it and kind of spread it out. So that's so that when you do that, it should look something like that. Spread it out, and then you push down from the top to make it look like that. And you do the same thing with the other side. You just unfold it, look for the groove. Okay. Push it out with your finger, and then from the top, push it down. Okay, so it should, figure should look something like this. Okay. Okay, getting close to the end. You just flip the figure over to the back. Okay. This little flap right here, we gotta fold it up. And then this bigger flap, we gotta fold it over the smaller one. Like that. And then this the bigger flap, we're gonna about, I'd say about halfway to 3/4 of the way down. We gotta take it, we gotta fold it back downwards like this. So, okay. Okay, and the last step, take the flap and fold the two sides inwards to form, this will be the kind of like the stem. So you fold that inwards like this. Okay, and you should have origami leaf.